Making sure your lubricant gets soaked into the bearings on a 30-inch high-velocity fan. I do not recommend you use this method of ensuring that the motor lubricant gets into the bearings, because obviously, you know, we got the guards off. But if you are experienced and you know what you're doing, then maybe it wouldn't be such a problem. But if you are a novice or a beginner, I do not recommend you use this method. But the reason why I use this method is so that way when you are running the motor is running under load. And also it helps keep the motor from overheating when you're doing an actual test with the motor, to make sure that it is not going to overheat when you are ensuring that the lubricant has fully soaked in.